Where are you? There you are. Hey! Hey, how you doing? For a country that will never see a snowflake, this is as close as we'll get to having a winter wonderland in Cambodia. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we're going to escape the capital city of Phnom Penh and visit the quaint Silk Island. Halt! Tundra vegetation. Surprisingly works out here.
Say, this torpedo tube is...
I almost hit this guy putting down my camera bag. Located in the center of Phnom Penh, this 14th century Buddhist temple is appropriately named Wat Phnom. Let it be said that in the first week in Cambodia, I have not experienced any tourist prices, though for $1, yeah, I'm prepared to pay that to see a 600-year-old religious site. Ooh, hairy hair. Ooh, oh, oh. Originally constructed in 1373, Wat Phnom rises 27 meters above the city on an artificial hill and contains Phnom Penh's highest Buddhist temple. If Wat Phnom naturally provides a summit of tranquility, the artisans community of Silk Island offers a different type of peacefulness 8 kilometers away. Okay, it's breakfast time. Time to eat along the streets of Phnom Penh. And what caught my eye is going to be this fish tofu. I have no idea how it's going to be prepared, how much it's going to be, but this is breakfast. While the fish tofu sauce is cooking, let's see what's at this drink cart. Grape squash, kiwi squash, guava squash, strawberry squash. A squash fetish here at Pop Ice. Breakfast is served. Okay, tofu fish sauce for breakfast. There it is fried. Here it is with chili and sriracha sauce, and breakfast to come. Okay, more fried than fish, but it is breakfast, it is authentic, and it was only 50 cents. You know, with strong winds, it makes this Southeast Asian heat almost tolerable. However, it's not doing much for my hair. Ah yes, the great conundrum of being in front of the camera. Comfort or vanity? Well, it seems odd to see a snail cart on what is an industrial road. The Mekong River is just to the right. Yeah, more wind issues with the hair. Yes, to get to Silk Island, yes, there would have been a water crossing, and this is the Mekong River. There are direct day trips from Phnom Penh to Silk Island for about $15. However, the local ferry, that only costs 500 riel, or about 12.5 cents American. This weaver, she definitely picked the tourists off the boat, and she's going to take us to her shop. We're on the island of Koh Ok Natai. Yes, Silk Island. Unlike the hustle and bustle of Phnom Penh, Silk Island is known for its silk weaving and is a quiet island community. Here are the highlights, including a restaurant for 300 guests. You say you're cold?
Yeah.
Wow. This must be in the high 20s. She's freezing. I'm boiling.
Yeah.
You should see that.
I really thought it would be difficult for me to find a weaver for whom I could focus a story. But yeah, this family, they found me and these two Dutch tourists on the ferry. So this is the home of a silk weaving family.
Ja. Zo, leuk, dus volgens mij gewoon het veel van deze rupsen. Hoe zeg je rupsen in het Engels?
10 o'clock but open only 3 hours and then close, not open.
For cocoon.
Okay.
And then my mom feeling only one way but long matter.
En het duurde 3 maanden.
This one only two side, inside and outside. The same
Okay.
boat. Yeah. Handmade
Yeah, okay.
only two side. You sit there.
This is going to be 200
Yeah,
meters?
200 meter long, make only 1 year.
What do you do with a 200 meter cloth?
Only 4 meter long cut. So not 200 meter long. 4 meter long cut. 2 meter cut.
Alleen ja, die doet ook echt om.
Straks als je terug bent, het is winterperiode.
And now comes the coup de grace. The seller tries to close the sale.
You like flower?
How much are these pieces? How much?
This one $10. Yeah, $10. Yeah.
Does it feel as luxurious as it looks?
Yes.
Yes, it does, definitely.
This one small size.
The patriarch of the family is taking me on a tour of the backyard. Wow, look at the size of these banana trees. The lushness of the plantain trees is something to behold. And this is cold weather according to the locals. Talk about the proverbial low-hanging fruit on the tree. I think these are durian, but the father says that in Cambodian this is called knau.
This one, only one side. This one, only inside. Easy. Yeah.
On behalf of Nari, Lena, and Dad, to have found this family and their silk weaving production, this has been an added bonus. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets, long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. From Silk Island, just outside of Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Thank you very much for tuning in. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Which one means avalanche?
Okay.
Wow, to the canal.
It's as big.
Say, did you like this episode? Great! Help Borders on Budgets grow. Hit the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to share this story with your friends who would like to travel into Cambodia.